Hey everyone, welcome to RoamTips.com. Today we're going to break down how to manually change the screen brightness on your Mac. Now, the fastest way to adjust your screen's brightness is by clicking on the control center icon in the top right corner of your screen. Then, just click on the display option. From here, you can easily adjust the brightness. But you might notice that after a little while, your screen brightness resets. That's probably because you have automatic screen brightness enabled. So to disable this, click on the Apple logo in the top left-hand corner of your screen and select System Settings. Once you're in System Settings, scroll down until you see Displays, and click on it. Here, you can again manually adjust your screen brightness, just like before. If you drag that slider all the way down, it'll completely turn off your display. Now, to change that automatic brightness setting, you can simply toggle the Automatically Adjust Brightness option on or off right here. One important thing to note is that if you have a non-Apple external display connected, like I do here, you won't be able to change the brightness from your Mac. You'll need to adjust the brightness directly on the external display itself. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. All the links mentioned will be in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.